Yeah, I am.
Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I'm good. Great.
Where you come from?
Malaysia.
From Malaysia.
Yes.
So, presented which universities?
Segi University, Malaysia. We have 5 campuses across Malaysia, 4 campuses in Kuala Lumpur, and 2 other cities as well.
Okay.
And,
Which cities?
Penang and Sarawak.
Oh, Penang. Okay.
Yeah.
And what about the Kuala Lumpur?
Kuala Lumpur, we have in Kuala Lumpur downtown campus, Kota Damansara campus, and Subang Jaya campus.
How much is fees for 1 year for students, for undergraduates?
Okay, for undergrad, it depends. For example, averagely is about 5,000 US dollar per annum.
Per annum.
Yes.
So, do you have any offering for scholarships?
Yeah, we are offering 20% scholarships.
20% scholarships.
Yeah. Yes, we have. I have met personally a lot of potential students. Mostly, I have seen they have interest in IT programs, computer science, and health sciences. It's a good.
That's great. Yeah.
Yeah.
How many intake do you? take in universities?
3 intakes per year: January, May, and September.
All right.
Yeah.
So, just for one university you represented?
Yes, I'm from Segi University, but we have a few partner universities from UK. For example, University of Sunderland, they are our partner. University of Greenwich, and also University of Central Lancashire, they are our partner universities. We are offering their programs as well.
Let me know some. How is the living expenses in Malaysia?
It's totally depends on individuals, but averagely 250 to 300 US dollar per month.
Per month.
Yeah,
That's
it's
great.
very reasonable, and Malaysia is a very safe country. It's Muslim friendly and very easy to find halal foods everywhere.
Safe.
Very
Peace.
Peace, safe,
No restrictions.
No
No nothing.
restrictions.
Women safe.
very safe.
Mashallah, brother. Mashallah. And my sisters, please go Malaysia because Malaysia is Islamic country and living expenses is cheap. And living accommodations. What about accommodation?
Like I said, living expenses is about 250 to 300, which is
With accommodation?
Accommodation
Oh,
meal
include-
and some pocket monies as well.
Really?
Malaysia is very reasonable and it's very cheap.
If you studying in universities or colleges, so you can work part time.
Okay, in Malaysia, government or immigration doesn't allow student to work part time
Work,
because Ministry of Education they prefer student to focus in their studies because it's very reasonable to study in Malaysia.
Study in Malaysia. So after complete study, can work.
We don't guarantee, but there are a lot of opportunities in Malaysia. We have a lot of Pakistani students who has graduated from our university and they're doing very good. They're working in Malaysia.
Malaysia, yes.